Hello guys, it's Dale here, and in today's video I'd like to talk about the euro dollar and about a new trading opportunity that has just formed here. So what you see before you is the euro dollar chart. It is a 30-minute time frame, and the resistance which I want to talk about is in here it is at 1.0478. This resistance is based on this recent rejection of higher prices, and when there is a significant rejection like this, what I do is I use my volume profile over the rejection, and what I look for is significant volume cluster like this one. This volume cluster at the top of the rejection is telling me that there were strong sellers at this place, and those sellers were fighting the buyers who are pushing the price upwards in here. But then the sellers started to add their short positions in here. That's the volumes we see on the volume profile, and then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. This is the aggressive selling activity. This is the sign of the strong sellers, right? And this is most likely the place where those sellers placed most of their short positions, right? And for that reason, this is a super important zone for the sellers, and that zone begins in here at 1.0478. Right, so this is the resistance, and when the price makes it back to that resistance at some point in the future, then it's likely that there'll be a reaction, there'll be a selling reaction, and the sellers from this place will want to push the price downwards from there again to defend this heavy volume zone, this zone which is clearly important for them, and push the price downwards from there. Right, so that's why I think that this should work as a strong resistance. By the way, currently there's also the first deviation of a VWAP. The first deviation, that's that gray line, and because the gray line, the first deviation, is close to our level, then it adds strength to it. As you can see, it's developing, so when there is a pullback, it's not guaranteed that the first deviation will be around that heavy volume cluster, that level, but if it is around, then it will be a nice confluence and it will add strength to that resistance. But even if the VWAP wasn't there, if the first deviation wasn't there, it would be a strong level to trade from. Alright, so this is called the rejection setup. It is a volume profile setup, and you trade it when there is a sharp rejection like this. There was this setup also in here. Let me zoom it in a bit. It wasn't as nicely visible as it is now, but I was trading it anyways. There was a level that I published in the members area for members of my trading course. This was the rejection of higher prices, and this was the volume cluster. And the short we had there was in here at the beginning of this volume cluster, right? So this is where we went short from, and this was the reaction, right? Very nice one. And again, it was based on the same setup as I was just showing you. Rejection setup, right? This was the rejection, and this was the volume cluster within the rejection. So this was the short. So yeah, that's for the rejection setup on the euro dollar. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now there's one more thing that I'd like to show you before I wrap this video up. It is a brand new course that I've just finished. If you want to check it out, then go to my website. This is it. This is the website, trader-dale.com. And in here, this banner, this is the new course. It's called Stock Investing with Volume Profile, and you click it, click the banner, and it will take you to this page where you can watch a video that will explain everything, that you'll get everything that's included in the course. The course is focused on stock investing, in long-term investing in stocks, and it includes 15 hours of video material as well as a couple of indicators, and currently you can get it with an initial discount, so you can get it just for $3.97, which is a discounted price, and later the price will be higher. Alright, so that's about the video and also about the new stock investing course. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading!